ACHAP is the Africa Christian Health Associations platform, a regional organization that provides a platform for Christian health associations and networks in sub-Saharan Africa to do their work in healthcare. In our understanding, locally led development really means that local organizations are engaged and leading conversation and implementation of work at local level. It means that local organizations are engaged from the beginning in their own development, and not just the organizations but also communities that we are serving are involved in their own development, so that in the design of projects, both funders and international organizations as well as local organizations have the opportunity to sit together and prioritize needs of the communities and design how projects are going to be implemented with the input of communities and everybody that is going to be involved in the implementation. One of the locally led projects that we have implemented has been a project that we have designed with IMA World Health on the COVID response, where we were trying to get communities to get immunized in order to have successful local leadership to development. And from our experience as ACHAP, I think some of the important aspects that need to be considered include: one, in the design of the projects, we need to think about the end from the beginning, so that both the local organizations, the funders, and other supporting organizations can all be on the same page from the beginning in the design, and think about how is this going to be implemented, what's the sustainability of this project, how are community members going to be involved, what are the resources that we need, and eventually when we end this project, what's going to happen. Another important aspect that I think is important for local leadership of projects, or for local ownership of projects, is for the funders at the beginning of projects, I think is to allow flexibility in the implementation. So there are some compromises that will need to be made in order for locally led development to work as it should be and the ownership to be as it should be.